Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you a lovely BMW X1 which we've taken in. So, bit of background on the car. This is a 2016 on a 66 plate. It's the X1 20D xDrive, so this is the four-wheel drive one. M Sport specification, so a really good looking car, got extra M Sport bits and pieces on it. Finished in Estoril blue, beautiful colour this, metallic blue. With a dark grey suede type interior that we'll show you in a minute. Just under, 63,800 miles from new, 2 owners, and full service history with the car. Taken in part exchange by one of the local main dealers that we deal with, and really nice. So let's show you around. Okay, starting on the front here, and with the M Sport, we've got the deeper front spoiler on here, so it looks quite aggressive. We've also got the LED daytime running lights which run around these pieces of the headlight here. We've got the 18-inch alloy wheels here, all in good order. Matching Hankook tyres all round on the car as well. No dents, dinks, scratches. Really good looking car this. This is the 20D, so it's got the 187 brake horsepower, 2 litre twin power turbo. We'll show you the engine compartment in a minute. Rear parking sensors, as you can see on there as well. Twin rear exhausts with the chrome surrounds as well. All looks very nice. So, we've also got electric tailgate. As you can see, black carpets in the back here. Dark grey seats with sort of black carpets, which all looks very nice. Bit of extra storage space down under here. We've also got the kit there, the tyre repair kit as well. Load area cover, as you'd expect. We've also got switches in here to fold the seats down. This is quite nifty. Just flick those switches, folds the seat down. Unfortunately you have to go and put them back up manually, but they do go down electrically. And button up there, shut the tailgate. Okay, down this side, much the same as the other, all in lovely condition. Show you in the back here. With that seat folded down, you can see they go reasonably flat. And I'll just put that seat up and then we can show you the trim. There we go. Right. Okay, as you can see here, we've got suede trim with the blue inserts. Part of the M Sport. It's lovely, really nice to sit in. The little flashes on the seats, the M Sport flashes. Just so you can see here, these seats slide as per front seat, so you can gain yourself space in the back for loading and less legroom, or the other way around, put them back, more legroom and less space in the back. Okay, so let's show you in the front here. So see on the door panels here, we've got the blue inserts on the with the it's a sort of carbon effect trim on there, all the electric windows and mirrors of course. And then we've got sports seats in here because this is the M Sport model, so more adjustment on these. We've got the bottom section of the seat, which I'll just show you. So this section slides in and out. The bigger bolsters on here, and these have got an electric control. So these, with this adjustment here, these will grip or release depending on body size. So you can really get yourself comfortable in these. They're a lovely suede cover on these as well. And the blue stitching and blue inserts, so really good looking seats and really comfortable to sit in as well. Extra adjustments as well. The seat tilts as well as going backwards and forwards and recline, so a lot of extra adjustment there too. Okay, so we've got the lovely leather multifunction steering wheel here with the M Sport logo on here. Like I say, multifunction controls on there as well, which is lovely. All in nice condition. As you can see, 63,894 miles. And on the screen down here you can see the difference. You can see the Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport, which changes the dynamics of the drive. Moving across, we've got DAB radio in here. I believe we've got navigation in there as well. Yes, we have got navigation. So moving down, we've got the climate control here. We've got heated seats in the car as well. And then down the middle here we've got the 6-speed manual gearbox with the M steering, with the M gear stick, hill descent control, and the Sport comfort and Eco Pro settings, which is across the board on most of the BMWs now, and electric park brake. Okay, let's show you under the bonnet. All lovely and clean and tidy under here, as you'd expect. This is the BMW twin power turbo 20 diesel engine, so 2 litre diesel. I think it's 187 brake horsepower, so plenty of power. Combine that with a 4-wheel drive, it's great. Lovely drive, very secure on the road. They're a really, really nice car, these new X1s. They drive absolutely beautifully, and a lot bigger than you think it's going to be. Just run through that again. 2016 on a 66 plate BMW X1 xDrive M Sport, 63,800 miles from new, 2 owners, Estoril blue, beautiful, beautiful condition. If you need any more information, please give us a call, Simon Shield, 01473 658 091, or alternatively hop on the website. That's got all the still photographs, all the detailed description, everything's on there, and that is simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.